Hey bikers! Welcome to your channel name, where you can have casual yet insightful conversations about new motorcycles that will make your wallet itch and your heart race. Today we are going to talk about a bike that proves Honda still knows how to make a big bike that can go fast but still be polite. The upcoming Honda CB1000GT. The bike hasn't officially launched yet, but leaked homologation documents in Australia already give us a clear picture of this potential sport tourer. And yes, GT here doesn't stand for totally handsome, but still, judging by the shape and specs, it seems like the two go together. Honda's engineers clearly raided the accessories cupboard too. The CB1000GT comes armed with longer travel suspension, a tall windscreen, handguards, a center stand, and thicker seats for both rider and pillion. The pegs are a touch more forward for the rider, and your passengers' knees won't be kissing their chin anymore. A welcome change for anyone who's ever had to pretend to enjoy long rides on the back of a naked bike. Up front, the CB1000GT borrows the same frame and brakes from the regular Hornet. That's dual Nissan radial mount 4-piston calipers, in case you're wondering, but with some subtle differences around the tail section. There's also a quick shifter lurking on the left side, attachment points for panniers, and a more upright handlebar. It's as if Honda went through every touring bike wishlist and just ticked, yeah, chuck that in too. Now, about that engine, the CB1000GT keeps the familiar 1000 cubic centimeters inline 4, tuned to a still hefty 147.5 horsepower at 11,000 RPM. That's a smidge down from the Hornet SB's 155 horsepower. But honestly, who's going to notice when you're overtaking road trains on the Nalaba? It's got enough grunt to make your visor rattle, and we expect torque figures will be solid enough to keep you grinning through every bend. Dimension-wise, the GT is a bit of a unit, with a wheelbase 0.4 inches longer than the Hornet, and 5 inches wider thanks to the fairing. It also tips the scales 30 pounds heavier than the Hornet SP, which should put it just shy of 500 pounds wet. Still, that's not bad for something that looks ready to chew through entire states between fuel stops. Pricing and full specs are still under wraps until the official EICMA reveal. But one thing's certain, the CB1000GT looks like Honda's way of saying, who says sensible can't be sexy? Whether it'll make it to US showrooms is anyone's guess. But for now, Aussie riders can start planning their next cross-country blast. Preferably with a mate on the back who finally has a proper seat to complain from.